Hello and welcome to my channel. I am here today to show you how I do my perm rod set. I'm starting off on wash and condition hair and detangle hair. And for those of you who remember me, my hair was once blonde and I am back to black. Okay, here's the comb brush pick combo that I'm using, and this is the foaming wrap lotion that I'll be using. I'm beginning by putting a very generous amount of this foam onto a small section of hair, and I'm making sure to get that product blended in onto every strand of hair, and then I smooth it. And then when I'm wrapping my hair around the perm rod, I'm making sure to continue smoothing it, so when I take the perm rods out, my hair will still be smooth. And then I'm going to repeat this for all sections of the hair. It's just pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to, give you details really quick, and then I'm just going to let you watch. After letting my hair dry completely overnight, I add argan oil to my fingers and remove the perm rods, and I also use argan oil to separate my curls. As you can see, I am slowly and carefully taking down the perm rods, trying very hard not to disturb my curls. After all of the perm rods are removed, I separate my curls and I continue to play with my hair. I lift it from the roots with my wide tooth comb until I get the desired look that I'm going for, and then the style will be complete. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back to you. Be safe, guys. Have a nice day, and I will see you on the next one.